Hey, hey, I'm Indicanus. This is the Daily Rage. Happy Friday to you all. Really solid reversal day in the indexes. So let's take a look at these quickly. This one is the Dow, and we are working our way toward those highs, which are around like 49,897. Those are all-time highs. And then, as I've been talking about, that 50K is just a breath past that. So we are well on our way. Huge range today, over 1,100 points. So that's looking great. I'm just keeping that 50K as my target. Moving on to the NASDAQ. This one also had a great reversal day. You can see that it found some support down around here. It didn't make it quite all the way down there, but certainly came close earlier in this trading session. But after three pretty solid days, I mean, those are some decent ranges. 3 days of pure red. We did have some green today, which is fantastic. As I've talked about in many videos in the past, as you go through day by day by day, or even on a smaller time frame, support becomes resistance and resistance becomes support. So as you can see over here, back in, what was this, December, this would have been support. Now that can, going forward, act as resistance. It's just an area of interest where a lot tends to happen. So those are always going to be points that we want to watch on the high side or on the low side. So let's put a target of this standard line around 25,302, followed by the daily cloud. Hopefully it can get up and through there. This one is the S&P, and it did drop below that daily cloud. I mean, ever so slightly yesterday and today, but we're already back above it, which is awesome. You can see it kind of found a little bit of resistance overhead at that turning line and standard line meeting point right around here. So all we need to do is kind of bust through that to get back up to about 6966, and then we'll be headed toward these all-time highs yet again. And last but not least, this one is the Russell, and you can see like we didn't even get to the daily cloud, so still looking pretty strong on that. We had flipped the parabolic SAR, but that was like way up here, still a great distance from that daily cloud. So again, really, really solid showing today with a huge range. 81 points on the Russell is quite a lot. So let's head toward about 2674. Anywhere in this little vicinity is going to be kind of our first target to the high side, followed by these two guys right here at 2697, and then back to all-time highs yet again up here around 27. Let's just call it 2750. I hope you have an incredible weekend. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.